Welcome back. Today's video is about Accenture Recruitment 2021. If you want to read about the recruitment details, you can check the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for Accenture Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Our website will give you all of the information at one place itself. Don't forget to join us to Telegram. You will get regular job updates. Link is provided in the description for you to join us directly. Accenture has opened its vacancy for new associate inside sales. The job description is as follows. So as you can see, the skills required from the candidate is inside sales lead management. The designation will be given as a management level new associate. Job location will be in Bengaluru and any graduate can apply for this position 0 to 1 year. So even if you are a fresher as well, you can apply, and even if you have experience of 1 to 2 years also, you are eligible to apply. Here is the details given regarding Accenture, like what the company is about, how they will be working and all that. And here is your job profile, which means you have to be working in sales and customer operations. You have to provide end-to-end integrated solutions across marketing, sales and service. The solutions will enable the clients to drive sustainable growth, and also you should be able to have hyper-relevant experiences across the customer life cycle as well. So all of your jobs and responsibilities are given here. Now what the organization is looking in for a candidate, which means your skill set. You should be adaptable and flexible in your work, adaptability to perform under pressure, problem solving skills, ability to establish strong client relationship, and also you should be a quick learner. Next, here are your roles. In this role, you will be required to solve routine problems. You have to have primary interaction with the client. You will be needing to have well versed with the basic statistics and day-to-day businesses, and you will be also having an individual contributor to the team as a part. And also this work, whichever appointment for this particular role which you will be giving into, you will have to work in rotational shifts. So if you are interested, you can head over. The qualifications, as I've mentioned, any graduation is fine. So if you are a recent graduate as well, you can start applying. Now if please note that if you have been contacted by some other one who have asked for you to pay or anything, you can directly notice this particular email so that you will not be paying any sort of payment for any agencies in between. So if anybody has contacted you for fraud, you can directly contact them. And if you are willing to apply, you can apply here now. Then you will be further directed to this particular page. So you can start your application. Now here, if you are already an existing user of Accenture, you can put your email address and password and you can sign in. And if you are a new user, you have to sign up and start from the beginning, which means you have to put your email and then you will be getting a verification code for your email. After you get your verification code, then you can start creating your profile in Accenture, and after that you will start your application process. If you have further doubts, place them in the comment section. Go to the official website so that you can get all clarity, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.